Hello. Thanks for clicking. Thanks for your time. Welcome to my channel where quality is attainable. Today, I'm at Burlington. Let's see what they have for us today. I'm looking at this turtleneck sweater. Interesting print. This print is really trending this season. And look at it, available in the store. It feels so good. The quality is good. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Let's take a look at store price. Store price for this is $14.99. And by this round, yeah, the hand tag is covered, but is good. Here we have another one, something similar, button down sweater for $10.99. And here we have these combo stripes and the leopard print with a button on the sleeves for $19.99. Here you go. Look at that. I love sweater like this. This simple. I love something like this for $14.99. Not bad. And here we have these two-piece sets. The color, I'm not complaining. This is priced together for $29.99. Is a sweater and midi skirts. Not bad. And here we have this zip up sweater. Gold and black in size medium. Okay, store price for this is $16.99. This color, yeah, good throw on with two deep front pockets for $14.99. And here is another two-piece set. Is a short sleeves. This is actually sleeveless, button down, sleeveless sweater top and midi skirts in color black. You can never go wrong. They are priced together for $24.99. Okay. If you are looking for good two-piece set this season, yeah, Burlington got you covered. And here is another sweater. Look at the detail on this one. Interesting, for $16.99. Here is another sweater. Interesting. This one is $16.99 as well. And here we have another one. I'm loving the color combo on this one. Okay. This is $10.99. You can never beat this. The quality is good for the price. So good. And here we have these cropped short sleeves top. I'm loving the neckline for $12.99. And this feels so heavy. Yeah. This can serve as sweater. Just wear this inside, throw on the blazer or coat, you're good. Here is another two-piece set. This one feels light. Alright. For $29.99. $29.99. So with $30, you get yourself a good two-piece set. Look at this one. I'm loving the cape. Yeah, high neck with this button on the sleeves, button on the shoulder and the cape for $8.99. We've seen this before. And here we have this one, something very chic. for $8.99. Okay, and here I will take you to handbag section, so keep watching, don't go away. Yeah, this one is good. Turtleneck for $8.99. The price, Burlington price, you can never go wrong. Look at this with two deep front pockets and studs on the, this is it, on the flap. This is actually functional. Yeah, this one is $21.99. This feels so thick, and this was $78. Today you get for $19.99. Interesting sweater with teddy bear and beaded right here for $19.99. The quality speaks loud. Here we have burgundy sweater, light sweater. We've seen this in a different color. Okay, and this one is store price for these is actually $8.99. Interesting. Let's go to handbag section. To handbag section here, I'm seeing lots of new handbags. Here is a shoulder bag. Will this be a good shoulder? Yeah, it's adjustable, so yeah, it's gonna be very good. DKNY. I like the size. This is actually me in a bag for $49.99. Interesting. Really good. Okay. The side is this one by CK. This was $168. Today you get for $59.99. Down here is this big bag by Steve Madden. This was $108. Today you get for, let's say, for $39.99. Here is a big bag, DKNY. I'm on a hunt for something like this. This one was $228. And okay, let's see. Store price for this is not on this. We may likely grab it somewhere else. Okay, here we have more bags. More bags. Guess CK for $59. We have bucket bag by MK. Yeah. The price for this one is $79. And we have this by Guess, and the price is $39.99. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see. Here we have this bag by DKNY for $39.99. This will serve as a very good camera bag. What do you think? This is why I can only pay for this, just to use it for my cameras. And here we have this one, good patent leather for, this was $148, you get for $59.99. And down here is, we have more bags here. Okay. Yeah, more bags. This one is, yeah, $69.99. Interesting. More bags. The one we saw. Let's see if we'll grab that price. Store price for this bag actually is $59.99. All right. Yeah. Good backpack. And this was $188. Today in the store you get it for $64.99. More bags in the store. Tommy, good tote bags. This one is $29.99. My waist, $24.99. Tommy, look, lots of bags. Interesting bags. This is just $19.99. How cute. Okay. All right, more bags behind. Let me take you somewhere else. Okay. Let's see what they have here. gifts are coming out gradually in the store. Look at this set. 6 pieces. Yeah, 6 piece. Yeah, 6 pieces. Look at this. Yeah, luxury glow kit. The price for this 16.99. Yeah, this year I'm ready. I don't want to mix any good gifts this year. So I'm gonna start pretty early. Yeah, look at that. Interesting sets. Okay, look at this. Yeah, flawless finish triangle puffs. Okay, this one is 14.99. These are really new in the store, okay? In my next video, I will show you more gifts. So if you're interested, turn on your notification bell. Don't play on this channel, right? Don't play. Share to others, okay? For $12.99. Thank you for all your support. I appreciate. This is Bed and Body collection. Tahari. Yeah. This one is $9.99. God, this is the time, okay? Bed and Body collection. Oh, so cool. I love this. All right. And up here we have BCBG generation. All right, look at this for $12.99. Here you get vanilla and salted caramel body butter and body scrub for $12.99. You can never go wrong. And here we have this one, Juicy Couture. Yeah, both socks. This one is $12.99. Okay, up here we have these sets. Paris Hilton. And this one, let's see what is there. This is, you get hair body oil, scented candle. Yeah. The price, let's see, what's the price? What's the price? You get towel and headband. This one is $14.99. $14.99, okay. And up here we have this by BB. Thus you get the slide, you get body scrub, you get, yeah, foot lotion. Yeah, all right, I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Share to others. There is love in sharing, and until next time, bye for now.